This can't be a checkmate in 2 moves puzzle. Like, how do you checkmate the black king here in only 2 moves here? If you can solve this puzzle yourself, pause the video and try to find the best move for white. Welcome back. If you try to play the queen to a2 and white queen a2, you want to play queen checkmate right away from a1, and his king is somehow blocked and it will be a checkmate in 2 moves. But black will play his pawn to h6, and if you played your queen check, that's not a checkmate in 2 moves because he will play his king to h7. If you try to play your queen to f4, it is a bit slow because you can't play your queen check from f6 or from e5, and there is no checkmate in 2 moves here. And I was thinking maybe sacrifice your queen and try to checkmate right away, but he can even play h6, like he don't need to take your queen, and it's still not a checkmate in 2 moves here. I really thought it was a queen sacrifice here, but neither queen sacrifice will do anything in this puzzle anyway. So what is the best move here for white in order to do a checkmate in only 2 moves here? The only move is queen to d2. Okay, why queen to d2? Now you are threatening checkmate. Like, black must play any move. If he played the same move h6 or h5, queen checkmate from h6 right away in 2 moves. If he tried to push this pawn, checkmate from here right away in 2 moves. If he tried to push this pawn, checkmate from here from c3 right away. And if he pushed this pawn, checkmate with your queen from b2 in only 2 moves. If you enjoyed this puzzle, like the video and subscribe, and thank you for watching.